Hello students, welcome to the class 2nd EVS class. Chapter number 2, our houses. In my previous class I have taught you about the 3 basic needs for a human being, that is food, clothes and house. These are our 3 basic necessities. Why do we need a house? A house protects us from heat, cold and wind, rain. It also saves us from wild animals and thieves. So it is also known as a shelter. There are 2 types of houses. First is a kacha house and second is a pakka house. A house which is made up of wood, straw, mud and stones are called kacha houses or are temporary houses. These houses can be broken easily. We can see such kinds of houses in village areas. Next is what is a pakka house? Houses that are made using cement, wood, steel and stone. These houses are called pakka houses or permanent houses. These houses are not breakable easily. They do not break easily. Next is what are the different kinds of houses? Like here is a sloping house. As you can see, this is a sloping house. This kind of a sloping house is found in the areas where are heavy rainfall and snowfalls. This is a castle or a palace, we can say. In this type of a house, kings or queens live in. This is a type of a big house and there are so many rooms in this kinds of house and garden all around. Now this was all about your last class. Now we will move to the next topic, that is a tent house. This is a tent house. People live in tent when they want to stay at a place for a short period of time. As you can see in the picture, this is a tent house. In this types of houses, people stay when they want to live at a place for a very less period of time or for a short period of time. Or sometimes when they want to live anywhere, they live in this kind of houses. This is not a permanent or a pakka house. This is a temporary house for some times. Now next paragraph is about a flat or a multi-story building. These are a flat. When many houses are built in one multi-story building, they are called flats. As you can see in the picture, this is a multi-story building. In a same building, there are so many houses and these so many houses are called flats. So when there are so many houses in a same building, it is known as a flat and that building is known as a multi-story building. Our house should be suitable for our needs. Sunlight and fresh air should come in easily. In whichever house we are living in, it should be suitable to our needs. Means it should be according to our needs. Sunlight and fresh air should always come inside the house easily, as because of the sunlight and fresh air we feel fresh and healthy. So it is most important thing to enter in our house easily. We should keep our houses clean. We should never throw waste in our house or outside. We should always keep our houses clean. We should not dirty it and we should not throw any kind of waste inside or outside our house. We should always throw all the waste materials only in the dustbin. We should grow plants and trees near our houses. We should always grow so many plants and trees near our house because it gives us shade, and it keeps our environment healthy and clean, so that we can feel fresh, and we can even get fresh air through that plants and trees. I hope you all have understood about these 3 paragraphs which I have taught you today. So please reread the chapter, as your chapter is over. So please read all your second chapter, and learn important points like what are the 3 basic needs, why do we need a house, what is kacha house, what is pakka house, what is a sloping roof house, what is palace, what is a tent house, what is a flat or a multi-story building, why do we need to throw waste materials out of our house, means in a dustbin, why should we have to get sunlight and fresh air in our house easily, and why should we grow lots of plants and trees near our house. So student, this was all about your second chapter. Please learn all the points and do all the homework which I have given to you and I will give to you. Thank you students.